Hello YouTubers, how is everyone doing? On today's episode, I'm going to show you how I cut an avocado for serving purposes. Now, normally, everyone usually cuts it the same way. You have a paring knife, and I don't know how ripe this is, but I'm not going to get into that. It might even be bad because the knife went straight through. Sometimes that's very ripe. So let's see. Now, if you're using guacamole, where you're making guacamole, after you cut this, you want to kind of see how brown and yucky it is. Nope, it's perfect. So if you want guacamole, you just scoop this out. Oh, pardon, thank you. You just scoop this out and you put it in your dish or bowl, and then you make it. For serving purposes, I like to take a paring knife. I like to just, not really massage it, but just make, loosen it up. Looks like there's a dead spot in here. And we're going to go straight down, and you feel the back of the skin with your hand. A little sliver. Now, unfortunately, I make this whenever I can, and I never videotape it. And I'm not going to buy a dozen of them just to show you the perfect way to make them. So now here you go. So hopefully this comes out right. You take a little bit of a small spoon, teaspoon. You see, you're opening it up, and you want to separate the skin. And skin. There you go. You could serve it that way. You could try to grab a couple more pieces. This is edible, but it's not the most ripe I've seen. Just breaking the barrier from the avocado to the line you just cut. Obviously, you could touch this down and you could present it. This is garbage. This is that. Some people like to grab it. Let's try to see if I can do it the regular way. Boom, spin, out. Bam, grab it. It's obviously smushy. It's garbage. And the same way, we'll try it again. Just kind of put in your hand, right down the middle, wherever large you would like to make the slivers. Paring knife seems to be the best, but I'm assuming you could use any knife as long as it's sharp. So now you open it up, break the skin a little bit, and we go in from the side. We got a double. It's a little bit crappy. I'll probably throw that one out, or you could try to scoop more than one. And that's it. So this one's a little bit black, so I'll throw that out, and I'll throw this out. And these are good to go. So you make your little presentation. You could cook it with eggs. You could put it on toast. This is very edible. Don't get discouraged because it's a little bit black. Any comments or concerns, leave in the comments section. If you have a different way, make a video. So this is what you get when you order an avocado black espresso da-da-da. So thanks for watching. That's it. You make some eggs, make some bacon, make some toast. That's how I cut an avocado for presentation slices. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next cooking video.